Welcome to our tutorial about the Boolean Add operation. Let's start by creating a solid. Activate the Sketch command, the XY plane, select the Rectangle command, Snap, and let's create a square. Okay, exit the sketch. Now let's create a pad. The length, 30 millimeters. Tab. Select Mirrored Extent and click OK. Let's insert another body now. Insert Body. What I'll do is extend and drag this pad to this body. Let's expand the tree. I did it this way to show you that you can drag features from one part body to another. This is very handy, of course. Alright, let's create some pockets now. Let's select the Sketch tool first. Select this face. Activate the Rectangle command. Let's create another square. And exit the sketch. Now we'll activate the Pocket command. Grab Limit 1 and drag it down. Click OK. Deselect everything. And let's activate the Sketch command. Select this face, the Rectangle tool, and exit the sketch. Activate the Pocket tool. Click OK. Last sketch here on this face. Now let's use the Ellipse tool. Create an ellipse. Exit the sketch. Pocket, OK. Let's insert one more part body. Insert Body. Next, I'll create a 3D point. 20 millimeters on the X, Y, and Z directions. OK. Line tool. Let's create a line between these 2 points and click OK. Now let's insert a support plane. Plane type, normal to curve. Select this line and the origin point. And click OK. Now let's create one more sketch on this plane. Activate the Circle tool. Let's create a circle. It'll be about 30 millimeters in diameter from the origin point. Exit the sketch. Let's create a pad now. 30 millimeters in length. Tab. Check Mirrored Extent and OK. Let's change the color of this part body. Right-click, Properties. From the Color drop-down menu, we're going to select Red. OK. Right-click, Properties. Let's choose Blue this time. OK. Now let's bring in the Boolean Operation toolbar, View, Toolbars, Boolean Operations. Let's undock it. The first tool is the Add command. Let's select Body 3. Under the second line, we'll select Body 2. In the After field, we see Pocket 3. This means that the new feature will be added after Pocket 3. Click OK. Not much happened visually, but these two solids are now one solid. Part Body 3 moved under Part Body 2. And we've got a new feature called Add 1 in the specification tree right here. Let's expand this branch to see our work history. This concludes our tutorial on the Boolean operation, Add.